Good morning. Welcome back to, this is not my kitchen. This is my office for the summer. So anyway, it is meal planning Monday and I have my meal planned out for the week. Meals. So let's go over them. Those pork tacos that I made the other day, El Pastor. I went to El Jefe and had one taco for $9. Yeah. And then I bought that pork taco meat for $1.60 something for 0.8 pounds. Something like that. Anyway, I split it. I cooked all of it and I split it and put them in two different baggies and I put them in the freezer. So I'm going to have pork tacos. The same that I did. I still have onion and the jalapeno and the freeze-dried pineapple. I have corn tortillas still and that salsa. So I'm going to probably have at least one day of those tacos. Real refreshing. That salsa kind of. The onion, jalapeno, and pineapple. It was really good. And lime. I know I put lime juice in it, but I wanted a fresh lime to squeeze on them as I was eating them. So it's making my mouth water. And then I'm going to have chalupas on the next day. I'm going to make some beans probably today in the pressure cooker. So I'm going to make refried beans. Of course, I have the crispy corn tortillas that I need to use up. I have 3 tomatoes, so I need to use some of that, the salsa, and I have some cabbage too. So that is, and if I have any leftover taco meat, I'll just throw it on top of the chalupas. Then I didn't eat the cod last week, and I think I have 4 pieces in my freezer. So I need to start using that. Found a recipe on budgetbites.com, garlic butter cod. So I'm going to pull that out of the freezer. And to make that, I need lemon, and I never buy parsley, but I thought I'm going to buy some parsley if they have it here locally. If not, I'll just leave it out. Thursday, fried mushrooms day. I think we only have a couple of more weeks, so we need to get our fried mushrooms in. So we've already deemed that we would go on Thursday. So going to the saloon to get some fried mushrooms. And I like their hot wings. We just tell them to put the sauce on the side, and when they come out, they're real crispy. So we like that too. So anyway, we're going to do that. So I'm going to cook 2 cods. That's why, yeah. If I'm going to cook 1 in the oven, I might as well cook 2. So I want to say up here, I want to get 2 out of the freezer. So I can remember to do that. And I'll cook 2 in the freezer. So then I'll have leftovers here of the cod. Oh, steamed broccoli. I got broccoli in the freezer. And then I bought some salad. So I need to get that in rotation somewhere. I've been craving salads. And then I'm going to cook some beef stroganoff. I've got some ground beef. I've got some egg noodles. And I can't remember if I bought a can of mushrooms. If I did, I'll just use those. If not, I'm going to buy fresh mushrooms. But I think I bought mushrooms for something. But I'm going to use it there. And then I'll just have leftovers. So I work on Saturday and Sunday and Monday. So I'll cook this Saturday morning. And then I'll have it for the days that I work. And then I just warm it up in the microwave. All right. That is my meal plan for the week. I don't have to go to the store for really much anything. I need Sammy food, so I will be going in the next day or two to get Sammy food so it can have time to thaw out so I can cook it. Alright, so if you meal plan, let me know in the comments below, and let me know what y'all have on your meal plan for the week. I always like to get ideas and see what y'all are cooking. With that, I will see y'all in the next video.